So many of you have been asking me for a step-by-step guide to getting started with affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. So number one, what's a niche? This is basically your area of expertise, something you're passionate about and that you can chat about in confidence. So let's go health, wealth and relationships. These are the hot topics that people care about, which means they're very profitable opportunities all year round. Personally, I'm in the wealth niche. Number two, affiliate programs. 86% of companies have them. They're free to sign up and they basically pay you to promote their products. So if you're feeling a bit lost, just search your niche affiliate program in Google and you'll find tons of articles to guide you. So here's a pro tip. Look for programs with at least 30% plus commission rate and consider focusing on digital products. Why? They're created once and sold forever. Way more profitable than physical items. Number three, sales funnels and email campaigns. Think of a sales funnel like a net caching email addresses. Email campaigns are those pre-written messages with your affiliate link inside that get sent out automatically to your subscribers. Hello, passive income. That's how you make massive moolah while you sleep, and this is what automates your whole business. Number four, let's talk about social media. So start fresh with a brand new account dedicated to your niche. This way you can target exactly who you want to reach and keep your content laser focused. Think Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, posting valuable and educational content about your products and niche 1 to 2 times a day. Basically what I'm doing right now in this reel. I can't spill all the affiliate marketing secrets in one video. That's why getting educated before you dive in is key to your success. So if you're ready to learn more, drop a ready in the comments below and I'll personally get in touch with you. Thanks guys.